We guide you through how to delete an Instagram account permanently if you no longer want to use it. First thing you need to do is open a web browser on your phone or computer because Instagram doesn't allow account deletion directly from the app. Log into the Instagram account you want to remove, then go to the Delete Your Account page. Choose a reason for deleting your account from drop-down menu and re-enter your password to confirm. After that, tap or click Delete Account, then confirm once more when prompted. Your account will be deactivated first, and after the grace period, it will permanently deleted along with your photos, videos, messages, and followers. Make sure you download your data before deleting, since this action cannot be undone once the deletion is complete. So that's it.